Welcome to Manta Sandi, ladies and gentlemen. So what we see now, this is one of the reef manta that we saw in Manta Sandi. In this video, you can see white manta and also black manta. It's like in this video, you see. So please, guys, subscribe, like, and comment this video. Thank you. In this video also we can see there's one small or one baby mantas playing around this area. So this is also an amazing animals. Raja Ampat, it's not the whole year you can see the Manta Ray. Only seasonal. So the good season to see Manta in Raja Ampat is from November